Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a surprise unboxing from Josh's Frogs. I ordered from Josh's Frogs a few months ago and I did an unboxing video, and I recently was contacted by them to see if I would be willing to do another unboxing. So I went on the website, I checked out some of their plants, and I just kind of selected a few that I would have otherwise purchased from them. And they contacted me back and said that they're going to send me out some plants. So I don't know what's in here. While I selected some of my favorites, I'm not 100% sure what's in the box. They said the invoice was going to be in the box, so let's get into it. Ooh, coffee. You go over there. Josh's Frogs has some pretty unique plants too. When they have them in stock, they have some pretty cool stuff here. Okay. All right. So it looks like this. You can see. Sorry if it's a little blurry. Okay. So inside is my packing list. So now I can see what's actually in here. And I'm excited. Also on the packing list, which is good to note, is that it has the weather predictions for the time that the package would have been in shipment in my area. So that's kind of nice because then you can kind of see, you know, what, oh, it says it was supposed to snow on May 21st. That's random because it did not. It's always good to package your plants with a heat pack if you live in an area where temperatures drop below freezing, just so the plants have a better chance of making it. Some places, I'm not sure if Josh's Frogs is one of them, but some places will not ship if temperatures drop below freezing. And they'll wait until the weather's better. But also inside it has a few care tips and then just some different types of plants that Josh's Frogs carries. And then also a little thank you from Josh's Frogs. Very cool. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to keep my invoice nearby so that I can identify what plant is what and give you guys the correct info. Okay, so there's just a few layers of paper. I like how they package things. It's very eco-friendly, like 100% recyclable. I see one already that I think I'm gonna wait till the end because All right, first up is, yes, that's what that is. Okay, hold on. Look at that, guys. This is a variegated Schefflera mini umbrella tree. Let me see if that's the correct. Schefflera Arboricola mini variegated dwarf umbrella tree. Mini, dwarf, same thing, right? It's so pretty, guys. Look at all that little variegation on some of the leaves. Some are dark, some are light. Some have like a lime green tint to it. One leaf down here is half white, half green. I love that. I picked up one of these, a regular umbrella tree, not variegated, not dwarf, from Louisiana. I literally picked it up off the ground at the venue that I was shooting a wedding at, and I just potted it because after a month and a half, it finally started growing roots. I didn't even know if it was going to propagate. It propagated it in water, and it did amazing. So these things are pretty fierce. All right, let's get into number dos. Oh, it's so cute. It's got a new leaf. Okay, so this is a mini umbrella, or not umbrella, mini banana tree, Little Prince. Mini banana tree. Another plant that was growing like weeds in Louisiana was umbrella or banana trees. And they literally had bananas like hanging off of them. This is so cute. Look at that new leaf that's coming out there. Just a little bit of tiny damage here on the leaves, but you know, that's expected anytime you order with shipping. But I think it'll bounce right back. And the fact that it has new growth That's a plus in my book. Anytime you see new growth on a plant, you know that it's doing all right. If it could produce babies, we're good. On to the next one, and oh my gosh, I already know what this one is. Oh, this is so pretty. This is a Peperomia Rubella, and it had the underside of the leaf is red, hence rubella, ruby, right? I'm gonna just take a guess that that's what that means. Very succulent like leaves. Josh's Frogs has an amazing selection of peperomia actually. If you go back and watch my unboxing video that I did originally, I ordered a majority of my plants were peperomias. And they have quite the selection, and these leaves are so tiny. So this will either trail up or it can trail down. So see how it's kind of wanting to do one or the other? I gotta give it like a stake, or maybe I'll put it in a little mini hanging basket. I don't know yet. Decisions. Okay. What's next? All right. Okay, guys. Do you guys know what this one is? This is a Philodendron Pincushion. The actual species is not on here, but go look it up on their website or Google it. Philodendron Pincushion. These leaves will get longer than this. I love any type of leaves that are elongated. This has a ton of new growth inside of it. I'm excited about that one. I love plants that start off in this size too, and that I can watch get bigger and grow. I do like buying larger plants, like I said in one of my other videos, if it's like to fill a space. But other than that, I do like tiny plants. You couldn't tell that though from my background. This is my office, guys. I know you've never been in here before. And maybe one day I'll do an office tour because there's quite a bit of plants behind the camera too. But these actually, I pulled these from the ground in Louisiana and rooted them in water. And they're just big. They're just out of control. I love it. Okay, moving on. We have 2 more to go. There's 6 plants in here. And I see one under there that I want to save for last. So I will do this one. Even though I think these last 2 might be my favorite. Okay. Oh my gosh, these leaves are perfect. This is an Alocasia Regal Shields. Yes, Regal Shields. Now you guys know this can get gigantic. This is not a mini version, it's a regular one, but it's just a, you know, a new baby. Look at these leaves, how perfect they are. Oh my gosh. I have recently gotten into Alocasia, Calocasias, just because I love the heart-shaped leaves that they have. And these are very dark, deep, almost like an emerald green, but then their stems are like almost translucent lime, which is really cool. Oh, so pretty. Okay, guys. Okay. You can already see it. Okay, I need to move the box out for this one. All right, guys, this is an Alocasia Dwarf Amazonica, and it's listed on their website under Alocasia Purpley, because look at the underscore of these leaves. It's such a deep purple, and the stems almost, not quite like the Zebrina, or is it the Zebrina? How it has like the stripes on the leaves. You can see markings on the leaves, and some are red, some are like translucent lime again. But this is so, I love how long these leaves are. I love it. So pretty. This is my favorite. All right, guys, that is it. Thank you so much to Josh's Frogs for sending me these plants. I love them. This purpley might be my new favorite. I don't know, the Regal Shields, though, holds a close second. I love all of them. I'm so excited to get them potted up. Now I have to buy pots. All of these plants, except for the Dwarf umbrella, came in 2-inch square growers pots. and they're all the soil's taped down. So as you can see, it's there was very minimal soil in the box, which is awesome because there's nothing worse than opening a box during an unboxing and having soil go all over the place. The umbrella dwarf tree, I think, is a 4-inch circle grow pot. This one's just a little bit bigger, and I can feel the roots are probably very well established. Yeah, I can see some under there. So I am going to check the soil and the roots on all of these, get them potted up, and put them in their new home. And maybe I can do a little update video in the next few months to show you how they're doing. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much again for joining me on this video. If you're interested in any of these plants, all the information is going to be linked below in the description box. Go over to their website, check out the prices on all of these. You can look them up by the names that I listed on the screen when I was showing them, and they should be listed on the site the same way. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. All right, guys, that's it, and I'll see you in my next one.